Hello, I'm Teddy Chavko from Canvas GFX. I'm going to show you how to use Canvas Envision to create this installation manual. As you can see, this document is made up of a few different components such as text, tables, existing 3D CAD models, symbols, labels, and templates. Let's touch upon every single one of them together and let's create this visual technical document. The first step will be to create the template for our installation manual. For this, I will be using the Master Pages feature and create a universal template for the document. Master Pages can be later applied to different parts of our document, so if needed, we can always come back and create more templates for our document. But for now, I will use one to demonstrate it. Let's insert the Canvas Envision logo here and create an installation manual title. Then, let's create a table for the document information. To create the table, I will go into the Insert tab and place a 2x2 square table. I will resize it like so and write some information inside its tabs. In this section, I also want to include a model version and the date the document was created, so I will split the cells to accompany my information like so. At the bottom of the page, I will also place a text with the model data for future references. I will also format the colors with a dark gray theme among the texts and tables to make them softer to look at. This is great, so let's use it on our document pages. Note that if you ever want to change between master pages due to having multiple templates, you can right-click a page here and under Master Pages, you can select the template you're looking for. For this document, I will only have 2 pages, which are going to use the same template like this. Next, I will create 2 sections on my first page. One will be describing general instructions for the desk chair assembly, and the other will have the complete 3D model. For this, I will use the draw tools and format the objects with no fill like so. In the bottom section, I want the symbol to visually describe general instructions, so I will check the symbols library to find an icon that I can use. One library that I think will work great is the Objects library under Workflow. Here, I will select this page symbol and place it on my document like this. However, I want to format its colors to match my document, so let's do that here. I will now write a few instructions and create a label for this section. I will pen the texts so they evenly space out as well. In the top section, let's place the 3D CAD model and edit a few of its settings to orientate the desk chair the right way. Let's also change the model's view mode to silhouette to match the documents palette. Let's resize the 3D model bounds and let's move the 3D model here. Let's also place a few labels to specify different components of the model like this. Maybe I will also change the colors of the different objects to the darker gray color. That looks great. So let's move on to the second page for now. I will create a few different sections here as well. I will also align them evenly throughout the page. I will place the 3D model again, and this time I will explore a bit further into the 3D user interface. Instead of just orientating the model, we will explode its components upward so that we can describe the assembly visually to the audience. However, by exploding all of the components, I also explode smaller objects within the assembly that need to be together. So I will use the Select Rectangle tool, Translate, and Restore Neutral to combine the parts together. This is looking much better. I will turn the view mode to silhouette again and resize the model to my section. Let's also place this here and resize its bounds too. I will place a few labels and write a few instructions on each part of the assembly in these sections. Lastly, I want to emphasize how the wheels are inserted into the legs of the chair. So I'm going to isolate those parts of the 3D model assembly and navigate them with offset lines to make them look the right way. I will also place a symbol here with an arrow to indicate the wheel's location. Let's do some finishing touches to format the colors, and there we go. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this helpful. For more tips and tricks, do not hesitate to reach out to us or check out our website at canvasgfx.com.